Hi everyone, Christine here. Welcome back to my channel. I have some projects I wanted to share with you all before I ship them out. And let me share with you some of the products that I've used. I've used Mr. Snuggles from Cottage Cuts. From My Creative Time, this fun size scallop stitch bow die. For this medium pretty bow die, also from My Creative Time. Also from My Creative Time, this is discontinued, sorry for that glare. This is the Hey There Cute Tea, and I just used this little heart die here. And this mini bow die is also My Creative Time. I used that set there. I used this shoe die that I got from Amazon, and this shoe die from Cottage Cuts, from Momenta, and from Concord and Ninth, this purse die. From Anna Griffin, I used this embossing folder. This is one I used right here because it's kind of hard to see. From Avery L, I used this treat topper. These enamel dots, Eyelet Outlet and Echo Park. And from Sizzix, this Lori Whitlock treat bag die. Okay, the first thing I want to share is this card that I made, and this is that shoe die I got from Amazon. I believe I layered it 3 times. The third layer is from glitter cardstock, and I used my Anna Griffin embossing folder, and I forgot to bring this die down. This is one of my favorite dies, the Spellbinder's Floral Oval, and I forgot about this stamp set too. This is also from My Creative Time. I used a little heart gem there, and this is where I used that little My Creative heart die to create these hearts out of glitter cardstock. And on the inside, I used my floral oval die again and added more hearts there, and that's where I'll write my message. And that's it for the card. And next I wanted to share with you the cute little purse I made using that Concord and Ninth die. Isn't this adorable? And I added little brads for the feet, for the purse feet. And the tag and that word hey and the tassel is all part of the die. I think, I'm not sure if the heart is. I have to check. And I love this cute little pearl heart. I think that's from Joann's. And this is from My Creative Time, this little bow here. And I just added a little chain to add the tag on there. Isn't that cute? And here's the back. And I just added a Bath & Body, what do you call it, hand gel. It's a perfect size for this. And originally I wanted to do the a closure, but it just wouldn't fit. It wasn't long enough because of what I wanted to put in here. But isn't that cute? I love it. Next, I wanted to share this purse that I made, and I was totally inspired by Sam Alcott. I'm going to leave her link down below to her tutorial. I didn't follow her tutorial, but I went ahead and changed all my measurements, and I added my own feet. But let me just give you an overall view. Isn't this cute? Here's the bottom, and here's the back. Now the paper I used is an Anna Griffin paper that I got from scrapbook.com. I'm not sure if that's still available. The hardware I got from Amazon. It comes with these little hook clasps, so they were pretty easy to add. This is a My Creative Time bow, and this heart bling, I think that's from Amazon. And these feet are actually 2-prong brads. They're pretty strong. They're from Joann's, I believe. And I have this little keychain here. The tassel and the chain are from Michael's, I believe. And I got this Mickey Mouse charm and bow charm. I believe that's from Daiso. And I just added a cute little charm with some beads that I had. And this is held with a very strong magnet. It's super strong, and what I wanted to do was to secure it from tearing the paper. I have like probably 4 layers of paper on this side. I mean, there's 2 layers of paper here and 2 small pieces of paper to keep it from tearing. And I did the same with the top. Yeah, 2 layers of paper and 2 extra pieces of paper here so it doesn't tear. I'm not going to show you what I have inside, all the goodies, but it's jam-packed. Isn't it cute? And this is heavy. I mean, you can really use this for a real purse. It's just that it's made out of paper. So isn't that adorable? I love it. Okay, now I'm going to share some toppers that I've made. And this is the Avery L topper, and this bow is using my creative time. And I had some flowers in my stash. And if I have time, I'm going to make a little charm here. And here's another topper here using that Sizzix Lori Whitlock, and I used some enamel dots here. I think these flowers are probably Michael's, and I did add a little charm here too. And then I also made some 3x3's, and this is using that little shoe die that I found from Amazon. I did a black shoe, then I also did a red one. And I think I layered this maybe 3 or 4 times, added some enamel dots, and this is the Momenta scallop die here. And on the inside I just added black and the scalloped die again here. And the black cardstock I use is from My Favorite Things, 110-pound cardstock. And I also used these little Swarovski crystals. Aren't they cute? Okay, last but not least, I just wanted to share this box that I created. This is not a die. I was totally inspired by the Posh paper lady, and a lot of you ladies create boxes from scratch. So I had like a box I had on hand, and I just took it apart and kind of followed it. and it opens on both ends. I didn't glue it together. And I used my Mr. Snuggles again here with a little heart. And oh, this little heart is from, I didn't bring it up, but it's from Lady Kre. Thank you, sweetie. And this is a mini bow die from My Creative Time. And I love this paper. This is Valentine's paper from Authentique. I'm not sure if they still use it or have it. But isn't it cute? So cute. Sorry for that glare. So that's my share, guys. If you guys have any questions on the products that I've used, let me know. And I thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.